Okay, so if you are looking for a motivational speaker, somebody to encourage your students, Stephen Seki is your man. He is an inspiration. He's even helped me as well. But yeah, book Stephen Seki. He's great.
We are at Grace Academy, Darlaston today, and I've been here over the past 4 years. And whenever I come here, the students are absolutely incredible. And you know, like today we're with year 10 and year 12, and I just love the engagement. I just love how into it they were, and I just hope, you know, the message that we give across, because you said you've had like a whole day of workshops with other people as well. So I think for me, it's always a pleasure to come back to this school, because I'm always well received. I always get tons of enthusiasm and positive energy. And for any other speakers out there that get a chance to come to the school, come. They've got amazing facilities. And I want to thank you, Marcia, honestly, for giving me the chance in the first place. Whenever I come here, I have the best time. So hopefully see you all soon. I want to wish the students that are doing the exams or are working towards them, just keep going. Failure is not the end, it's the beginning. We know that you can do this, so just make sure you give it your very, very best. Thank you, guys.
Thank you, Stephen.